Hi. Hi.
Luca, who is that? Who's the baby?
Ariel.
That's right. And is he your brother?
Yeah.
And what are you?
Ariel.
You big sister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy.
Yeah, very happy. Luca,
Birthday.
is Endo a boy or a girl?
No.
What?
No. Baby boy.
He's a baby boy. Are you a boy or a girl?
No.
Girl.
Yeah, boy.
You're a boy?
No.
No.
Mommy boy.
No.
Daddy boy.
Yeah, he's a boy.
Dada. Dada.
What's mommy?
Dada.
Yeah, what's mommy?
Daddy.
Mommy a girl?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
Mommy happy.
Oh, you make me so happy.
Mommy. Sit down.
Are you going to give Endo a kiss?
Baby.
Oh, so nice.